Alright, so we'll go ahead and do the S10e first. So this is the budget model. This phone is $750, but doesn't really make a whole lot of compromises in terms of build quality and general quality. It's really quite a nice phone for the price if you don't want to spend $1,000 on a new S10. So right away we're presented with the S10e. This is the blue version. I'm doing both the blue versions since I don't see many of them being unboxed right now. Very nice build, very smooth, feels quality. Let's put it aside for now, see what else is here in the box. Got a SIM card, an AT&T one. You have white AKG headphones, all white accessories actually. Fun fact, if you get the white or blue Galaxy S10, it's going to come with white accessories, but if you get the black one, it's going to come with black accessories. So black headphones, black charger, and black adapter. So we have the normal Samsung fast charging adapter in white. We have a USB female type A to male USB type C, just for plugging in keyboards or mice or flash drives or transferring between phones. That's really useful. Also works on other devices as well, not just Samsung. These are always great to have. In this little compartment, well, this is strange. Let's see if I can figure it out. It's like a Rubik's Cube. Oh, so this is your USB type A to USB type C charger. Doesn't look incredibly long. I wonder if it got shorter. It'd probably be longer if I stretched it out, but let's get on with the video. And these are white AKG headphones. I'm not sure that they're different from last year's S8 and S9 version AKG earbuds. They look to be pretty much the same. They're just white now. Still got the braided cord. I'm gonna go ahead and say they're the exact same ones. Still a pretty decent pair of earbuds for getting in the box. Alright, so now we've got the S10 Plus here on the table. I'm not going to be doing an unboxing of the normal S10, the smaller version, because they both should be pretty much the same. In fact, this should probably be pretty much the same as the S10e here. Same stuff in the box. Like I said, not a lot of compromises for that phone. So let's cut this sticker and get into it. So there is the S10 Plus with the dual cameras on the front for that pill-shaped cutout in the screen. In the top here, again, we have the literature. It's kind of interesting that it sticks in the top this time. I do kind of like it though, so that when you take off the box, you are presented with the phone straight away. And again, in here, this one's going to detail the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. This is going to be making sure that you know what kind of screen protector you're buying to make sure that it works with that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, because it does work with sounds. That's how it maps your fingerprint. So you got to make sure you have a screen protector that will allow you to still do that. Here is the S10 Plus. We've got a little cutout in the front plastic here. That must be for the in-display fingerprint scanner. On the S10e, it's actually on the side, embedded in the power button here. But on the S10 Plus and S10, there's the in-screen fingerprint scanner for the first time on a Galaxy device. So there's a cutout right here. Enough about the phone. Let's see what's inside. SIM card, just like last time. And yeah, pretty much just the same as the S10e. So you got your power adapter, your Type A to Type C adapter, and in here is the charger and the white headphones again. So let's go ahead and peel the plastic off of this bad boy here. Again, very shiny, very nice. I would even argue that maybe this one is a bit shinier than, yeah. So as you can see, I don't think, ooh, very fingerprinty. I don't think this has been gone over in many videos, but the S10e blue is actually a lighter blue than the S10 family blue. So this is a darker, more shimmery blue, and this one's a lighter, more silvery one. That's just interesting. Are the sides any different here? So I don't know if you can tell that on the camera, but this side is actually tinted a little bit, a little blue. Maybe it's just my eyes, but this one seems more silver. I actually really wanted to talk about the S10e, at least in opposition to, oh, where'd it go? In comparison to the S10 Plus. So the S10e starts at $749.99. That's without taxes. That's this whole phone. That's $750 for this phone. This phone, the S10 Plus, is $1,000 starting price, and that's not even if you want a little bit of extra storage. So this phone has 3 cameras on the back, a wide angle, a zoom lens, and a standard camera. And then the S10e has 2 cameras on the back. It's actually got the wide angle, not a zoom lens, in the standard. So they actually went in favor of the wide angle instead of the zoom lens. That's the secondary camera on this phone, the S10e here. That's really about the only compromise you get. You're still getting a pretty decent sized screen. So there you have it. And there it is compared to the S10 Plus. So you're still getting a pretty decent sized screen. I even like the punch out a bit more as opposed to the pill shaped one on the S10 Plus. It's just a little less intrusive. But the S10 Plus is a great phone. I've just been using it for like the past 5 minutes, and I honestly think it's a flagship Samsung phone. So yeah, the screen might be a little small, but the bezels here around the side are actually thinner than what they are on the iPhone XS Max. You're still getting a 1440p Super AMOLED display. So you're gonna have your great colors, you're gonna have great sharpness, way better than the iPhone XR that this is trying to compete against. And one difference that I actually really like is this in-power button fingerprint scanner here. So the fingerprint scanner is embedded in the power button, and I like that a lot. I think it's a very convenient place to put it, so it's always there. I mean, that's the first button you always press when you unlock your phone anyway, to turn the screen on. So it's great that it's there. It's a fantastic location for it. I almost wish that they would have done that on the S10 Plus instead of the in-display fingerprint reader, because I have been watching things about the speed of this not being the fastest in the world. Definitely a first generation technology right here with that in-display fingerprint scanner being ultrasonic, whereas this is your everyday capacitive fingerprint reader. It's going to be a lot quicker. One thing I do like about the S10 Plus though is that wide angle camera and the zoom camera. So you get both those instead of just the wide angle camera on the S10e. You can do more things with it. You can get more shots with it. It's just very adaptive to whatever situation that you want to be taking a picture of. I kind of want to switch to the S10 Plus because it is a great phone, but I'm just not sure about the video quality. Maybe I'll do a full review later on that. But for now, I think my XS Max does the best video quality that I can find right now, at least in my opinion. But I haven't tested the video of the S10 Plus yet, so that might be a game changer, because I definitely would be using Android as my daily driver if it had as good video quality. So I'll have to check that out. This might be the one. Well, that's it, guys. Just a quick video for you, not a whole lot, but these are 2 really great amazing phones. I love them a lot. I love what Samsung did this year with. Tell me what you guys think about the hole punch display. Tell me what you guys think about the S10e possibly being the winner this year for the best budget for your buck phone. And I will see you guys in the next video.